Looking for a breakfast place right here on the Boulevard of Myrtle Beach? Well, we found the place you want to be.
We're down here on the boulevard this morning to get a quick bite at one of Myrtle Beach's traditional pancake houses, the Olympic Flame, serving breakfast and lunch since 1975.
Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and we're down here in beautiful Myrtle Beach, South Carolina at the Olympic Flame Pancake House. Let's get some grub.
For breakfast, the Olympic Flame serves everything from pancakes and waffles to omelets, platters, and more. And for lunch, they serve up items like burgers, salads, pork chops, and yes, ribeye steaks and flounder meals. And a kids menu for children 10 and under.
While we're sitting here waiting, you want to see how my jellyfish thing still looks?
Where's it at? Right there?
Yep. It's really bad on my leg too.
Huh?
It's really bad on my leg too.
Got our coffee, our creamer, and our bigger pot of coffee. And that is sticky. Inside. Those potatoes are delicious.
Awesome goodness.
Very good. Are you enjoying it?
Sure. Delicious. The only thing missing is mimosas.
Well, that was a quick stop at the Olympic Flame Pancake House right here on Ocean Boulevard, just down the block from the Myrtle Beach Skywheel. If you're down here and looking for a good breakfast or lunch, the Olympic is waiting on you daily from 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. so you can keep beaching. Thanks for watching.